Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel a job posting on Guru. Here's a detailed guide on how to cancel a job posting on Guru. First off, I'd like you to know that for you to cancel a job posting on Guru, you have to be a Guru employer. So while signing into Guru, you must have been asked if you are an employer or a freelancer. This is a freelancer account, all right? But if you want to cancel a job posting, it means you have a Guru employer account. I could not create an employer account for some reasons, but I'm going to show you how to do that right away. It's easy following this interface. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Guru account. Open your browser and navigate to www.guru.com. Click on login in the top right corner and enter your account credentials. Then click on login to access your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the My Job section from your dashboard or the Job section. It's just going to be found in the main menu, which we have in here. Now click on Jobs to see a list of all the jobs posting or all the job postings rather you have created. In the job listings, locate the specific job posting you want to cancel. Then click on the job title or edit button depending on your interface next to job posting to open the job details page. Once you click on the job and it takes you to the job details page, look for an option labeled cancel job or close job or anything similar depending on your updated version of Guru. This option is typically found near the top or bottom of the page of the job details section. So click cancel job or close job button. Then a confirmation prompt may appear to confirm your decision to cancel the job posting. Read the confirmation prompt carefully to understand the implications of canceling the job posting. It may affect applicants or ongoing communications. Note that. If you are sure you want to proceed, click yes or confirm to finalize the cancellation. After confirming, you should receive a notification indicating that the job posting has been successfully cancelled. You can return to your job listing to verify that the status of the job posting has changed to indicate it is no longer active. After cancelling the job posting, you can choose to log out of your Guru account by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting sign out. Or you can choose to just remain there. By following the steps, you can successfully cancel a job posting on Guru. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial, neverthelessly, helped your search.